Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix directions not available on iPhone maps. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Setting. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage, find out the Map app. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Now tap Reinstall the app. Solution 2. Check out the Location Service setting. Tap Privacy and Security. Unfortunately, there is no SIM in my device, so I cannot do it. Make sure to enable location services. After that, tap Share My Location. Enable Share My Location, also enable Find My iPhone. Now go back, scroll down, find out Apple Maps or Google Map. Choose while using the app. Solution 3. Set your location properly. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Language and Region. Now tap Region. Make sure you are choosing your current location solution. Now the last solution, Reset Network Settings. Resetting network settings can help resolve issues related to GPS connectivity. Go to General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.